Hello, in front of me I've got NuPhy Air96. In this video I'll show you how to connect V1 version with app. NuPhy Air96 V1 does have support for NuPhy console app. In order to connect it, make sure that your keyboard is connected with your PC, and now download NuPhy console app. Then install it. And in the end, run. You can also press this button here to enter NuPhy console. Unfortunately, I've got a V2 version that has not yet supported this app. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.